Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, but you're still nowhere near your goal? I know exactly how that feels. I felt it on mountain trails, during ultra marathons, while rebuilding my life, and even while building Pop. What running trails taught me about progress completely changed how I approach challenges, growth, and success. In this video, I'm going to show you the mistake that almost made me quit, the lesson every mountain taught me, and why it might change the way you look at your own journey. One of the things I love about trail running is that it tells the truth. A mountain doesn't care about your excuses. A trail doesn't care about your plans. And a steep climb doesn't care how motivated you feel. The mountain simply asks one question: are you willing to keep moving? I remember standing at the base of some climbs and thinking, there is no way I'm making it to the top. The summit looked impossible. The trail seemed endless. Every step felt small compared to the distance I still had left. And that's exactly how many goals in life feel. You start excited, you have energy, you have vision, then reality shows up. And suddenly, the goal seems much farther away than you imagined. One day during a difficult trail run, I made a mistake. I kept looking at the summit, over and over, every few minutes. And every time I looked up, I felt discouraged. Because no matter how hard I worked, the summit still looked far away. Eventually, I realized something. The summit wasn't helping me. The next step was, so I stopped focusing on the mountain and started focusing on the trail directly in front of me. One step, then another, and something amazing happened. I stopped feeling overwhelmed because I wasn't trying to conquer the entire mountain anymore. I was simply taking the next step, and eventually, without even realizing it, I reached the summit. That's when I learned one of the most important lessons of my life. Progress isn't made by conquering the mountain. Progress is made by conquering the next step. The more I thought about it, the more I realized this lesson applies to everything. Building confidence, learning new skills, changing habits, and improving relationships. Building a career, starting a business, and creating Pop. Most people become overwhelmed because they're trying to solve the entire future today. They're staring at the summit instead of focusing on the next step. When I rebuilt my life, I didn't have all the answers. I didn't know exactly how everything would work out. I simply focused on what I could do today. And then I did the same thing tomorrow. And then the day after that. Progress didn't come from certainty. Progress came from consistency. I finished races that once seemed impossible. I've climbed trails that felt endless. I've rebuilt areas of my life that once felt broken. And every single one of those accomplishments happened the same way. Not through one giant breakthrough, not through superhuman motivation, not through luck. Through thousands of small steps. The process never changed. It stayed the same. The mountain changed. The process didn't. That's the real proof. This is why progress is one of the 4 pillars of Pop. Because progress isn't measured by how far you still have to go. It's measured by whether you're still moving. Some days you'll move fast. Some days you'll move slowly. Some days you'll barely move at all. But if you keep moving, you're still making progress on your journey. And that is what truly matters. Today I want you to think about the biggest goal in your life right now. The one that feels overwhelming. The one that feels impossible. Now stop looking at the summit. What is the next step? Not the next 100 steps. Not next year. The next step, focus on it. Write it down right now. Then go take it today. Because that's how every mountain is climbed. Running trails taught me something I'll never forget. Something that changed the way I look at every goal. The summit is earned one step at a time. It is never about the giant leap, and so is every meaningful achievement in life. Every dream you are working toward. This is Pop. This is what we stand for. Positivity, ownership, progress, purpose. The foundation of everything we build. And remember, if the mountain feels overwhelming, if the distance feels too great, stop looking at the summit. Stop worrying about the end. Focus on the next step. Then take it right now and keep moving forward. Because that is how you win. Subscribe and join the Pop journey. Stay positive. Stay accountable. Mindset Rebuilders.
Shine